Meniere's disease. Introduction. The inner ear affects both hearing and balance. Select true or false. Correct. The inner ear sends signals to the brain. These signals affect your senses of hearing and balance. Attacks of vertigo last how long? Choose one of the following options. 1. A few minutes. 2. A few hours. 3. A day. 4. All of the above. Correct. Vertigo attacks happen quickly. They may last a few minutes, hours, or a day. The cause of Meniere's disease is known. Select true or false. Correct. Scientists do not know what causes Meniere's disease. However, there are known risk factors. A hearing test may be done to detect loss of hearing. Select true or false. Correct. A hearing test may be done to detect loss of hearing. Amy has Meniere's disease. To control her symptoms, she should avoid drinking coffee and eating salty foods. Select true or false. Correct. Eating a diet that is low in salt may reduce Amy's symptoms. Paul has Meniere's disease. He is having dinner with his friend Carol. Paul has a sudden vertigo attack. He passes out. What should Carol do? Choose one of the following options. 1. Wait for Paul to wake up. 2. Get Paul to a healthcare center as soon as possible. Correct. Passing out during a vertigo attack is a serious problem. Paul needs medical care. Thank you for using Explain.